Hello guys, how's it going? In this video I want to show you the dir built-in method in Python. So the dir method will return all the properties and methods of the specified object without the values. It will also return all the built-in properties which are default for all objects. So this is how the syntax looks like. And the method takes one parameter, which is an object, of which all the attributes will be returned, and the function will return a list of all valid attributes and methods. Right, so let's look at examples. The first example, we have defined a class called person. Now we are creating an object, an instance of this class, and let's print out all the properties of this class, of this object. And we can see that it has lots of different properties, and the ones that start with the underscore are all the built-in ones, and at the bottom one are the three that we have defined ourselves. Now in case that we want to um, filter those out, we can just create the simple generator which iterates or loops over all the attributes and simply filter out those which start with the underscore. And so we could do it like this, and we can see that it prints out only the ones that we're interested in. And the second example, let's inspect all the built-in attributes and properties and the methods of the integer. And we can see that the integer object has many different attributes. Now let's check out what the value of the imaginary attribute of an integer is, of the one that we specified. It's 0. And if you look back up, we can see that yes, it is 0, since the real value is 1 and the imaginary value is 0. And this last case, if we want to specify only, if we want to define only specific values that which are supposed to be returned once the dir is called, we can implement a underscore dir method like so. And this will basically ensure that once the dir is called on its object, only the specific values that we have defined will be returned. So let's run this, and yeah, we can see that only the x, y, and z attribute names have been returned. Alright, so this is the dir method, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching.